Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Market is doing some indecision today. However, it's green above the breakout point at 646 and above the EMA and the mid channel. So these are all bullish signs. The underlying technical is still a little bit mixed, but bullish leaning. The issue will be if it breaks below the 80 takes out Friday low and start pulling back. In that case, we could expect a retest of 637, 50 SMA, and then further down 627 and 620. The resistance, if you get some positive opening, is 654, and then above that, 663 and 671. ELF looking good, and technicals are bullish above 38. It needs to move past 140 to the high. First target 145, 156, and then 169. Third target. Support is the 80 somewhere around 130, and then 126. Hood is a swing initiated today, and along with the APP and EME, this company, Robinhood, was also added to the S&P 500 effective September 22nd. This is a bullish kicker with volume, which has increased since initiating the swing, and is pressing the resistance 117. The all-time high, 117.70, so I'm expecting a move past that tomorrow. If it sticks above it, we are entering all-time high area, with the first target 125 and then 133 and 143. Support, I'm keeping this a little bit loose, more than normal, just because it's volatile. It's 110 and then 106. If you want to risk less, obviously 110 is the line in the sand for you. NovaCure, keep an eye on this one. The CEO purchased, made another insider investment, insider trading, $1 million worth of shares. And this one seems to have built a base somewhere around 11, popped. Then the CEO bought around 1240, price is trending above it. The technicals are improving a little bit. This one is still disastrous, but I like this base through here, 1, 2, 3. What I'm watching next is a move past the 50 SMA. If it sticks above, it's got potential to go 15, 17, 70, and 20. Very volatile. Support is 12. RKT is a swing, pressing the resistance at 2050. First target 2170, 23, and then 2440. Support 1930 and 1880.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.